Hello everyone, welcome to our online educational platform educlasses.co.in. Today we are going to discuss about sector-based education system. For this we have invited Dr. Rahul Misra. He is a member board governing council Austin University US. So let's get started. Hello sir.
Very good afternoon, Mr. Sharma. How are you?
Fine sir, fine. Sir, thank you once again for coming on our board and discuss about sector-based education system.
My pleasure.
Sir, we have 3 to 4 questions for this sector-based education. So let me ask you first question. Which are the new sectors for good employment in India, sir?
First of all, I'd like to thank you for inviting me in this platform and selected a very niche topic like sector-based education. Though I think you are first in the country who has started discussing about this segment. So again, congratulations to you. As far as new and niche areas for employment is concerned, I tell you that personally what I feel that now it is a time to wipe off traditional system. New employment areas like nanotechnology, artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain technology, sports management, corporate governance, forensic accounting, farming technology, agri-based management, genetic engineering, healthcare management. There are a number of areas which are employment related, which are very relevant to the corporate sector here in India.
Okay. So, sir, how do we grow these these sector in India, sir?
Yeah, I tell you, though initiative has already been taken, I have seen few examples.
Okay.
For sector-based education, I tell you that University for Petroleum and Energy Studies, what I have seen in Dehradun, they have taken a great initiative. I think it is around 10 years or 12 years back. I don't exactly remember, but that is what we call a sector-based education. Now, India is a big country, right? You know that we require more than 20,000 private universities to cater the population, to make it more capable one. So one has to focus more on sector-based education. You leave apart petroleum and energy studies. I tell you that suppose we focus on University of Genetic Engineering, University for Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, University for Nanotechnology, University for Sports Management. Now, sports is a big concept. See, you have seen, launch of IPL, this Kabaddi League, etc. But from where you will bring the support staff. So these are the sectors and segments where we have to focus.
Okay.
Yeah.
And sir, what is the importance of this sector-based education system, sir?
Yeah, I tell you, a good question. Importance, as I told you, that suppose it is petroleum and energy studies. Now, say industry people don't go here and there. They focus on the relevant sector-based institutes, colleges, or universities in their area. Suppose it is fashion, it is entertainment, it is healthcare. So it will be, employment-related education system, industry-endorsed education system. So it will help a lot in India growing in, a quality education, generating employability and capacity building.
Okay. Sir, is it relevant for students for their career and employment, sir? This new
Definitely, this is the need of an hour. Suppose there are a number of students who come to me, keep on discussing. Now somebody has, an initiative or an inclination towards fashion. So he can go and take a fashion course. Or I request the government of India to focus like University for Fashion Technology Management, or someone has an, inclination for sports. There are a number of segments like sports management, sports technology, sports medicine, and we require trained professionals. India is a huge country. So in this capacity, what will happen that we will match demand and supply. So it is very relevant for students.
You have been working in abroad for so many years. These kind of sector-based policies are running in abroad, sir, foreign countries?
Yeah, this is a need of an art. I tell you that basically I have an exposure on global platform.
Yes, sir.
I am focusing more on, at this moment, on sports and genetic engineering and healthcare. Now, what happens in US?
Okay.
Suppose a student who has an inclination for sports sciences or sports medicine or sports management, so they have to move abroad, either in US, Canada, or in some European countries. And India has a whole, human resources pool here, have, cheap infrastructure. So one can gain advantages for India. There's a huge scope in India. Yeah.
So we are running still same traditional education system. In the whole,
Yes.
so many
Yes.
other subjects where students are not interested in these subjects, and he have to read or give time about.
Yeah. Right. First of all, I really appreciate National Education Policy 2020 initiated by Government of India even after 34 years.
Okay.
That has to be taken place before 34 years. Now, this is the right time. One has to focus on traditional. I'm not wiping out traditional, but one has to see the employability and demand of an industry. So now this is a right time to cater the need of an education industry.
You have a vast experience about these education policies and sector-based policies. So please give suggestion about these sector-based education system.
Yeah, I'm always open, Mr. Sharma, that I request that most of, entrepreneurs or promoters in the field of, education should come forward, discuss the things, focus, because apart from business, there is social angle also. One can contribute to our country and to our society. So whoever wants to connect, they can connect through your platform. Ask me, I'm available. For education, I'm always available there.
Thank you,
So
sir.
we can give number of advices. Yeah.
So is this
we can arrange collaboration, we can fund, we can teach.
So these sector-based education system is definitely, sir, grow employment and career opportunities.
Yes, 100%, 100%. Yeah.
So I think, sir, this is a very good advice for all of the newcomers or youth. So thank you very much, sir, for having on our platform and share your experience and vision about sector-based education system. Thank you, sir.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you. Thank you very much.